Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make duck sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. Thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please go down to that subscribe button down there and then hit that little notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, we've all had egg rolls and Chinese food, and you always get those little packets that you gotta try to open and unroll and try to squirt some out to get on your egg roll, and it's just a pain in the butt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make duck sauce so you always have it on hand. Let's head in the kitchen here and see what our ingredients are. All right, we got 3/4 cup of apricot jam, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, a half a teaspoon of low sodium soy sauce, 2 medium cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. I got about a half a teaspoon of chili powder mixed in with about a 1/16 teaspoon of some cayenne pepper. Let's get over to our table and start mixing this up. As we always do, making a sauce or whatever you're stirring up, make sure you have a bigger bowl than what your needs are for the volume of your ingredients and also room to stir without it slopping over. This is obviously big enough for the 3/4 of a cup of the ingredients that we're going to put in here. Start out with our apricot jam, our ginger, our garlic, our vinegar, our soy sauce, and our dry ingredient, cayenne and chili powder. And we're just gonna stir this up really, really well. I'm not gonna blend this up like you would see in the packet or add any kind of artificial ingredients. There's stabilizers in here. So it is a little gritty with those ingredients, the ginger. And you can dice those up finer if you want. You can put a blender in here and blend this up more, but I think this is going to add here to your egg roll a heck of a lot better. Let me just put some into this. All right, well, there we go. Duck sauce, good for egg rolls, wontons, pot stickers. Put it on your food, have it as a side for dipping or putting on top of your food, any kind of Asian application you want. I appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Like, share, and leave a comment. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.